Welcome back, my fellow fans. This next video that I'm going to be showing is coming by request from one of my wonderful subscribers. Shout out to PF. It took me a minute because I had to order the Blu-ray, but I got you. This video was shot in 7.2 Dolby Atmos. As with all my other videos, put on a decent pair of headphones for the best sound. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
It's incredible. This is the third mini-quake since we've been here. The magnetic pulse rate has increased before each one of them.
We got a pattern, my friend. That was a 2.2. Our model's predictive.
We got it right, man. Finally.
Yeah, we sure did.
Shit.
What's wrong?
The pulse rates are spiking again. They're huge.
Are you serious? Tim?
We're about to have a major quake.
It jumped to a 7.1!